Namaste friends, as you know I am going to do the chapter Asia and the vegetation. I will ask you a question. What do you mean by vegetation? I will give you 5 seconds. Think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't you know the answer? Here is the answer. Plant life or total plant cover area is called as vegetation. Means there must be any living species there, that is called vegetation. Different. In Asia, there are 7 types of vegetation. They are tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, tundra vegetation, temperate grassland, desert vegetation, Mediterranean vegetation, taiga vegetation. I will show you the photos of them to understand clearly. This is rainforest, and this is how tundra vegetation will be there. This is taiga. In tundra there will be more cold, but in taiga it will be changing. Desert vegetation. Grassland vegetation, there will be less trees. Deciduous vegetation, this occur in India. Mediterranean vegetation, it is in seashore. Okay, let's learn about them now. Temperate deciduous forests have great variety of plant species. Most have 3 levels of plants: lichens, mosses, ferns, wildflowers, and others. Plants can be found on the forest floor. Shrubs fill in the middle level, and hardwood trees like maple, oak, birch, magnolia, sweet gum, and beech make up the 3rd level. Okay, I will show you a picture to understand it clearly. For longitude and latitude, it will come in this chapter itself. Latitude means the line that crosses like slightly or and touches east and north pole, and longitude means that line that touches north and south pole. This will come in this chapter. You must learn about it. And the word tundra derives from the Finnish word tunturia, meaning barren or treeless hill. Instead of tundra, has patchy low to ground vegetation consisting of small shrubs, grasses, mosses, sedges and lichens, of all of which are better adapted to withstand tundra condition. Tundra will be more cold than taiga, but in taiga sometimes there will be cold and sometimes there will be heat. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator. The high average temperature and humidity, while temperate rainforest lie mostly in coastal mountains areas within the latitudes. Rainforest is typically made up of 4 key emergent: upper canopy, understory, and forest floor. Wait, I will show you a picture of them. And this is the layers of rainforest. First comes the shrub or the lower level. This layer is a home for many insects and species. And then comes under canopy. This layer has shorter young trees and some shrubs and bushes. Canopy is the 3rd level. The canopy is the thickest layer of the rainforest, and it's home for many species of birds and animals. And last is emergent. This is the tallest uh, trees are located here, which can grow up to 50 meters tall. And here we go for Mediterranean vegetation. Any shrubby dense vegetation composed of broad-leaved evergreen shrubs, bushes, and small trees, usually less than 2.5 meters, about 8 feet tall, uh, and growing in regions lying between 30° and 40° north and south latitudes. Here Mediterranean vegetation comes in scrubby dense vegetation. Okay, and next comes for taigas. Taigas are thick forest coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, and fir are common. Coniferous trees have needles instead of broad leaves, means their leaves will be like sharp or pointed. And Their seeds grow inside a protective woody cones. Conifers have adapted to survive the long, cold winters and short summers of the taiga, and their seeds will be having cover, like, to protect them. Temperate grassland are characterized having grasses has dominant vegetation. Trees and large shrubs are absent. Temperatures vary from summer to winter, and the amount of rainfall is less in temperate grassland than in savannas. Means there will be less rainfall, and the grasses are high and trees are less here in this vegetation. And we next go for, beside the red tree, desert vegetation may include shrubs and cacti. Scientists divide the earth land into what are called vegetation regions. These are these areas have distinct types of plants, soil, and weather patterns. Means the scientists divide desert and every vegetation in like plants, weather, and soil in based of them. I think you understood the lesson. So thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.